Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren assures government has no plans to set up a second home for Sangai at Pumlanpat. Maho Department signs MOU with Kolkata and London-based companies to come up with a detailed Imphal Smart City project report. And greetings for Diwali ending all Chakova pour in from across the state. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Rashmi Laishram with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren has assured to the people of Kakching district that the government has no plans to set up a second home for Sangai at Pumlanpat. The Chief Minister further appealed to the people in and around Hyanglam constituency for a joint effort to preserve Pumlanpat, which is a lifeline for the fish farming community of the area. He was speaking today at his reception at Langmaidong Playground, organized by Kakching District BJP Mandal, upon being accorded the third best Chief Minister of the country, stating that the government is trying its best to improve the conditions of Kaibulam Jau National Park, which is home to endemic and endangered Sangai. Biren assured that the government has no intention of shifting Sangai to another location. He also assured to fill up the inadequate staff of DRDA Kakching district by transferring some from Thoubal district. The Chief Minister disclosed that 10 new markets, including Wabagai Market and Imphal Valley, will be renovated. He also assured to deliver health cards of Ayushman Bharat, giving coverage up to 5 lakh rupees to beneficiaries as per the socio-economic caste census of 2011 before the upcoming 2019 Lok Sabha elections.
Lady, Equina Pakoli, was a why younger Samson Hena Pakokre. Mashidaki and more Anoba Carnatry. Maggie second home, I know Forest Minister wearing it, a Lango, the Sara, the Lango, the Susangai, Tramarima couldn't later. I know what to do not the Machine politics must I do it. So come by the oil with the Bush the Prajada, panic people cannot do. Aduki Mahota, Pumlan part Uhense. I stahapa undahapa, a put Pungam and the Pusalaka Chavase. Masi 2020 digi tosi and expedition of Logoneva. Madugi na puthona mapam.
Securities of Loktak Project NHPC saved one Chinese ferret badger, also locally known as Wi-Fi Kavui, Bung Ran Maring today. The animal was handed over to the volunteers of Unique Wildlife Protection Committee Manipur, who later released it to a safe location. Unique Wildlife Protection Committee Manipur urged everyone to contact mobile number 986220984 to save wildlife. The Maho Department, Government of Manipur, has signed a memorandum of understanding with a Kolkata-based company, IL and FS Township and Urban Assets Limited, and a London-based company, PricewaterhouseCoopers Private Limited, for a concrete project report to convert Imphal into a smart city. The MOU was signed at Chief Minister's Secretariat this morning. Speaking to media, Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren disclosed that Manipur will be listed in a 23rd position out of India's 100 cities selected during the second phase for converting into smart cities. He said to undertake such a challenging and huge project which will shape the future of Imphal city, a globally expert team was required and hence took some time and e-tendering process. Chief Minister Biren stated that at least 6 months will be required to come up with a detailed project report for the same. He also mentioned that the MOU parties were instructed to submit a detailed report, if possible, within 4 to 5 months to expedite the project. The Chief Minister assured of a new chapter in Manipur if the project becomes a success.
Consultant expertise
globally labor kangu drakar labor maram di future gi sang na yeng da ya da bi the vision aduna madu gi tender kari kari tauna bada matam khara sang bani adu tender tender ni often tor kanda ekhoi kaino da khoi gi IL and FS haidana amaga urban infrastructure aduga PWC na moi tor kanda hujiki design to gudaba detailed project report shem gudaba haitare madu report se khoi ngasi MOU sign tawni se aduni city manung city amna serious gi leiba problems traffic ki leiba problems adagi nambul project tawriba Imphal river da tawriba Kangla gi beautification many things sida loina ayamba include tawra even transportation bus auto adagi pollution ga mari leiba posting loina ayamba tawra dana ai afava sugumba tungi future gi oiba steps sida prajamayam gi support mari leiba singi support ai nizari adu
Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has also sent his heartiest greetings on the occasion of Diwali and Ningol Chakoba. He wished for the festivals to bring love and harmony between inhabitants of hills and the valley and to bring peace and prosperity in the state.
Manipur gi miyam punama khurumjari Hindu dharma chatpa tilenauk singi Diwali gi dugumba lakpasida Manipur sarkar gi maikai dagi isamak gi maikai dagi miyamda yaifa paujal pijari Ningol Chakoba sina lakpa gi iroina na babung ngokpa masan masa sing atopada yumban khraba singbu tahi sahi gi kauraga unadana mase masandagi borni jadana lakadoriba lemhauriba punsida afaba wehenbinaba ingba tangpa wehenbinaba nijabagi chanabi ase antak laiba Ningol Chakobagi asidasu Ningol khudingna piba khudingbu bor pibidana magi leiriba imungsing atek akai ana yek asi ana yaudana punsi nungsangna leiba oinanaba bor pibiramsanu aduga ishorgi mafamdasu ehakna suguma numit asida lamdamsida leiriba singtam jat bijat dharmagi khenaba punamak thadokle hairaga punamak kaunare hairaga matoi bagi lipun nungsinabagi lipun leiminabagi wakhalona do hanjalakpa ohelasunu haidana isor mifamda nijabaga loina namiyamda yaifa paujelasi pijari.
Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Yumnam Khemchan has also sent his heartiest greetings on the occasion of Diwali and Ningol Chakoba. He wished for the festivals to bring peace and harmony in the state.
Manipuri jatigi amatangairaba Ningol Chakoba amadi Diwali na lakpada Manipuri ching amasung tam amadi Manipuri tonganba jagada khundariba ko Manipuri kudimakta ina yaifa paujil pijari amadi lakliba jibanita amadi Ningol Chakoba sina lebak sida afaba amadi santi leba lebak oirasunu oina na paujil pijari.
Governor Dr. Najma Hebtullah has also sent her heartiest Diwali greetings. The governor in her message stated that Diwali celebration depicts triumph over evils. She wished for the festival to bring peace and harmony among different communities in the state. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar, Mahud Minister Thonajam Shyam Kumar and Shiv Sena Manipur State Yuva Sena in separate press releases wished the people of the state on the occasion of Diwali and Ningol Chakoba festivals. Work Minister Thongam Biswajit and Lok Jan Shakti Party LJP Manipur State Unit in separate press releases sent their heartiest greetings on the occasion of Diwali. Tribal Affairs and Hills and Fisheries Minister and Kaishi in a press release also sent his heartiest greetings on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba. He appealed to the people of the state to attend and avail subsidized fish from the upcoming Fish Farmers Fair Cum Fish Crop Competition to be held at DM College of Arts Ground in Thangmaiban on November 8. Southeast Asia Cultural Organization SIACO in a press release wished Meitei women in and outside the state on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba. Sandreme Youth Development Association (SYDA) in a press release informed that Ningol Khudol event will be held at Children Ideal High School Ground, Airport Road on November 9 at 7 p.m. All Manipur Ethical Socio-Cultural Organization in a press release thanked all the individuals who extended financial and material assistance for the upcoming Ningol Chakoba event to be held at Kangpokpi district on November 9. The organization also requested for more assistance for organizing the event. Congress MLA Kumukjam Joy Kisan has alleged that BJP government is all about mere talks regarding development of art and culture of the state. He criticized the government for being mindless of R.K. Singhajit, who was awarded the prestigious National Tagore Award. He was speaking at the premiere show of a Manipuri feature film produced by White Apple Entertainment Union entitled Manglan at Usha Cinema Hall in Pauna Bazaar yesterday. He lauded renowned art and culture personality R.K. Singhajit for bagging the national award on the 150th birth anniversary of Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore. The Congress MLA termed it unfortunate that the government did not express even a single word of appreciation regarding the amazing feat. Speaking on the occasion, Joy Kisan asserted that movie depicts reality of a society. He hoped that the film premiere today will instill positive attitude in the society. He wished White Apple Entertainment Union for all its future endeavors. Milan advisor Sandopam Tomba, president of White Apple Entertainment Union Surajoy, and many people attended the show. Director of the film Yaipaba Maisnam, crew members and media partner were also felicitated on the occasion.
Chinda arts and culture chakhatna bhonai Manipur da art and culture ga sanabana akhoi ge Manipur ge mingchet purai aduga art and yokhatkani hanaga India gi khwaidagi tanglaba khwaidagi chawraba award ama Manipur masana phanglaga lenga asina karigum wafum amta haidaba se ngasigi leiriba lenga ase art and culture yokhathan lenga nati hadina aina ngasigi tanja se loraga ayana haijeri ai isagi site gi pabung singhajina sugumlaba award ama phanglakpasida thoidok dokna nungaijaba phongdok sabaga loinana Manipur da leiriba artist pudimaksu musician punamaktasu art and culture bu yokhaning punamaksu achauba inwat ama pibaga loinana Manipur art and culture se thoidok hadana chawkhana honabada achauba mangal ama pibiri haiduna angna khanjei.
MLA K. Govindas has asserted that there should be no restriction to follow any religion or faith that one desires in a democratic country like India. The MLA was speaking in the inaugural event of the 8th Winter Festival of Mangal Kids School at Ningtaukong in Bishnupur district today. MLA Govindas stressed the need for spirituality in bringing about a better society. He urged every parent to nurture and guide their children. Young students of the school enthralled the audiences with varied cultural songs and dance performances on the occasion.
Without fear, you have to adopt any religion in your life.
Ardent Foundation Ukrul has organized a science awareness fair with the aid of the Department of Science and Technology, New Delhi, at Goodwill Christian High School in Yangon-Pokpi today. The fair aimed to instill scientific temper among tribal communities. Students of the school exhibited their science models and gave demonstrations on the occasion. Resource persons stressed the significance of an individual's contributions for developing a society. They also encouraged the students to have vision for development. A spot painting competition was held as part of the first Laishang Hidden Festival cum Expo 2018 in Kanchipur today. Altogether, 105 students from schools in and around Kanchipur participated in the competition. Winners of the competition will be felicitated on a concluding day of the festival. Students of El Sanoy College of Nambol in Bishnupur were left distraught upon the sudden cancellation of Student Union's election of the college today. College Election Committee convened an early meeting this morning and called off the election, and the same was notified on the college notice board. The students who came to cast their votes expressed deep concerns over the decision and termed it as taking away of their rights. General Secretary of the College Students Union, Namayakpam Basanta, condemned the decision and demanded clarification from the College Election Committee. He warned the committee to bear responsibility for any unwanted consequences if it fails to clarify.
Karamba election RO da adagi ARO oriba kangu singji da kari karamba threat lakpano so akhoni ju phongdokte loina yanara kan da ji khudakta mi lam arab da gi bot hadaba lae aduga akhoi gi hak su manghan bagi mawong da tawbosi akhoi yam nungai te ba masi RO amadi election committee member ge su akhoi punna phaminara kan da masi variation puthoba akhoi yam thuna pami aduga election taw da bide ju sumnam subsan da nomination procti ba da akhoi election taw yaro habase masi akhoi sunga yaro yabanga moi aduga democracy bu akhoi moina khanga Kangau bagi mong da ide hak mak bagi mong da tawbosi akhoi ju yabanga moi habasi akhoi press media gi mamang da phongdok chari aduga athuba matam da su masigi normal si pokna baju hona minasi kari gumba pokta da na akhoi sidai sida phapata dai ta ga nam tholok ba taragadi akhoi election committee amadi thoiba thodok si horofam oriba makhoi sing da pugadam.
In a rather unfortunate incident, a newborn baby was found inside a black polythene bag near Wangjing Tenthapalli Road under Khongjong Police Station in Thoubal district today. Passers-by found the infant around 5:40 in the morning of November 4. Police, along with Thoubal District Child Protection Unit, DCPU, transferred the baby at Specialized Adoption Agency SAA under supervision of Child Welfare Committee. DCPU in a press release informed anyone with information about the baby to contact mobile number 813-203660. Now it is time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on a condolence ceremony organized by Manipur State Shumang Lila Council to mourn the untimely demise of veteran artist Huirem Manglem. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Manipur State Shumang Lila Council has expressed grief upon the untimely demise of veteran theatre personality Huirem Manglem. A condolence ceremony was held at the last artist residence in Sagolbang, Mainlonlairak, graced by Chief Advisor of Manipur Shumang Lila Council, Dr. Moirangthem Nara, lifetime President of the Council, P.H. Gunachandra, President M. Purnimashi, Padmashri Naba Warepa, and other members of the Council. People taking part in the ceremony paid floral tributes at the portrait of the late artist. Speaking in the event, Manipur State Shumang Lila Council Lifetime Secretary Saugrakpam Hemanta stated that the untimely demise of Huirem Manglem, a renowned Manipur Shumang Lila artist, is not only a loss to Shumang Lila fraternity but to the entire state. He asserted that performances of late Huirem Manglem in Shumang Lilas and Manipuri feature films still linger in the hearts of many people. Multi-talented Huirem Manglem passed away at 72 on October 29 at his residence. He is survived by his wife, 2 sons and 2 daughters.
Manipuri mai mufam se poklam dana nang na sumang la da sambiram bagi maram na film da sambiram bagi maram na nang na artist amo na tholam bagi maram na ngasidi Manipur ke apong kudi makta nangi tangai faja satam kya udah tu thanam basu nangi thawai kui na leram da base nangi haksam kui no phajal leram da base ya nai koi wai nangu ba mami kai koi ni loguni koi ko la mun luai ngasidi.
JAC against the custodial killings of 5 Manipuris, namely G. Jiteshwar Sharma alias Gypsy, Thangjam Satish, Thongnaujam Prem, P.H. Naubi and R.K. Ranal held a protest meet today. Indian Army 3 Corps, CISU, NSCN-IM, and some unidentified miscreants were allegedly involved in the death of the 5 persons. The protesters demanded justice for the victims and to hand over the mortal remains to their respective families. Taking part in the sit-in organized by the JAC along with CCMLYC, Kumujamba Maitai Laikai at Churachandpur, Kumujamba Maitai Laikai, Kohar Chairman Pulindro Konsam alleged and condemned the Indian government for traumatizing the people of the state. Now the sports news. A 6-month grassroots football coaching program kicked off at Nongbram Football Ground in Yaripok today. All Manipur Football Association organized the program under the aegis of All India Football Federation. AFC grassroots leader S. Reena Roy and T.H. Bina will train altogether 60 footballers, including 20 players within the age group of 6 to 8 years, 20 players within the age group of 9 to 10 years, and 20 players between 11 and 12 years during the grassroots football coaching program. AMFA President and Sanatomba, eminent members of AMFA, and many people in the area attended the launching event. Secretary of Manipur Fencing Association in a press release stated that Manipuri fencer Thingujam Daina has been selected by Fencing Association of India to compete in the upcoming Commonwealth Fencing Championship. Daina will compete in the Sabre event of the championship at AIS Arena, Canberra in Australia, to be held from November 23rd to 28th. Semi-final matches of the 34th and Hazari and Dr. N. Tombi state-level polo tournament will be played tomorrow. In the third quarter final of the tournament played at Mapal Kangjebung, Imphal today, Manipur Police Sports Club Team A defeated K and MM Riding School Team A Singjamai 5-2 to enter the semi-finals. Players of Manipur Police Sports Club Team A as Bimol and T. Roshan scored 2 goals each, while S. Abung Kuman scored 1 goal. In the fourth quarter final match, Jinkai Hunba Polo Club Team A dropped Tekcham Polo Club 7-1. For the winners, T.H. Kauba and Laisem Batakelambam scored 2 goals each, while A. Basanta, L. Lokeshwar and P. Jotin scored 1 goal each. Altogether, 31 polo teams from across the state are participating in a knockout basis polo tournament held under the aegis of Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association. In the first semi-final match, Manipur Police Sports Club Team B will face ex-Polo Club Wangkai, while in the second semi-final match, Manipur Team Sports Club Team A will face Chinkai Hunba Polo Club Team A tomorrow. Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthong Mambiren assures government has no plans to set a second home for Sangai at Phumnanpat. Maho Department signs MOU with Kolkata and London-based companies to come up with a detailed Imphal Smart City project report. And greetings for Diwali and Ningol Chakrabar pour in from across the state.